Hey, welcome back. I'm going to do a small tutorial on sponge filters. If you've never had one before, use a breather stone. And you're going to cut this stuff out. You're going to cut this top out. The big ones are easy. The small ones are really hard. But just stick around. I'll show you real quick and check it out. Tell me what you think. Basically, if you don't put this stone in line with your new filter, it's really loud and it chugs. So a lot of people just put the stone in there. There's 100 of these videos out there, but I figure I'd just make one, try and maybe, someone could see it, maybe it's something different. What you're going to do is you're going to cut the cage out, little pair of cutters, dikes, whatever you call them. And if I switched all of my filters to this because it's just easier and you don't have to buy any more filters, so it just kind of makes sense. You do have to stick your hand in there to pull it out and clean it, but I mean, who cares? So you just cut that out. You want that cage to be open so your filter can fit in there. And then you cut this side out. This is the top. You can use a knife, but you probably have to be careful. So when it's all said and done, this is your base. Your hose goes on here, your filter goes in here. Then your top. And it just makes it it's a lot quieter. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. You squeeze these to sink them. Well, first time I got one, I just sat there and floated. I didn't know what to do. You just squeeze it a couple times and it drops in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in one of my tanks. And if you ever use this black hose from Amazon, it does not stay. It looks better than clear hose, but it will not stay, and you're gonna have to use a zip tie or some type of small clamp. I use just the big heavy duty zip ties, and it still comes off. I don't know, it just gets so slick inside of your aquarium. I don't know. But zip tie works the best. Little zip tie, big. I use the big ones and just put my Kleins on them and just crank down on it. It seems to work pretty well. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. I'm going to take the old filter out. I'm just going to cut this one. I could probably try that. Take this off. So I'm going to keep this all way and see if it works. Make sure you push this all the way down. God dang it. For some reason this hose wants to stay on now. I can't. I put the wrong side on. You stuff it in there like that. Make sure it's all tight. Take your filter. Get it wet. Put your base on. Squeeze your filter a couple times. There you go. And there you have it. Simple procedure, your hose filter. And like I said, if you use this black hose, it will come off no matter what. It looks better, but I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, it really just gets slippery. So thanks for watching, and like, comment, whatever, subscribe. I appreciate it. But have a good day. Bye.